Biya kamal kanwar I channel mijiram yidit gorab subscribe. Kami jiram itatanun gorab notification vel bijale bako yum chinedor avlut be monajiki pet. Wa biya to kamal.
Goa be subscribe manan be twang be more like he be notification del be twang comment adora upload be magic pet. Go along.
Well, Misha Tianga Mal, Walla Changa Janangra Udera Kapai DH, Ron Kidney Dangra Woody Janangra Woody DH. A can corsa and Tiangati, Baga Janong Lare, a town down in the road of General Sudan. Mandan go watching dar, Chana Rich, Quitco and Changa Wallanama, Quar Dang Jok Tungor, Quar indeed, Cas Pellam, IG. Daka pada wale ka kor ka me cha ga point ka kor ni ndang ra ti chu chini dial tin la ja spialam tin lor ni la damo chi go ka spialam house en wala ga jube ko ba la dam ba witness again ngai kon dia la ko ran mi la damo la de je nyam kwar en mo kwar party the president ke chairman of the SPLM ni Salva Kiir jaram de la demo elan nyamde ko ne dang jogoto kani to ngor bani je min chini dial chigete liba ke de ben mi she jeno no ne din kon din chuni tin nen gwa mi she no lat ke jana den wo president Salva Kiir kana George kwa ngar ke kwa function man dan lat ke min pat nyam ne ka dang jok the core she corner banan social media take generated pictures teach ban tanken ban kai radio tanken ban kapaj la page president and president Salva Kiir was there katanda nen pat kana murai kon jode she kan tor ti nen kon gati kon tana 21st century 21st century that a simple thing like this cannot convene. To convene, who make on take artificial intelligence thing in one to more than this. More than would they thought they were known, they were chung kail, more than would they need generator, they were char from nowhere, they were no wake. It has no connection with the event of today. The connection ke ibana wale lakin mangur konjode there is no official announcement the government ke ka any relevant authority in learn now woman road of Sudan about President Salva Kiir today he would go the official announcement SPLM IG and the government can try to disinform the public. But disinformation technique why user can to let the public wait. Big liap in dilemma changa you michorolat edin. Kakujimo for your authority are not convinced. Come you we ka jawanan and charge generate. Be jaw can a tour goal. And we know Chirgatan in Chaladan who upon the 21st century. Tell me I generate the money job. The rain became a lar, they will mix scale the job which is a mixing over. No more take a software journalism is very simple. She a land with long who job Malaroy. They will mix together with any script, any machagor, not a pencil. So speculation is still very strong and there is no clear information ko Salva Kiir jana. Now, she 3 deputies took a part. Whatever it is, whoever appoint them, took a part now, they become the leaders of the SPLM-IG. The next step, This is what we are going to look into. Number one, the reality preparation for the transition of power. Power and the self-care come with a ball mel. Again, all this violent kind of political action, intimidation, and then that transition will go through. So, the next day, the coming days, from 23rd tomorrow, what will happen? So, again, question it on and talk on Jordan, who men bit work, take a probability to the official announcement of what is happening to President Salva Kiir. I want to work on up to the end of the week. Two things will happen. Me rami Canadian critical condition. They will announce officially that President is outside of the country. Go take a joy. So me rami chito class are known as an emergency. Lakin the first thing that will happen by announcement the President is what will work by conduct. By dark, the announcement of the President is a tell by. So these are the stage that we are going to. And all this preparation up to the last day of Salva Kiir. Goldman will declare himself. Kiba declare as Piala Menan and Chemanen Konomo. Turn down like as the President. So these are the steps to work on things. Shukran.